Hey y'all, Heidi here. Today we're making a layered letter A that turns into a beautiful piece of wall art. So let's talk paper. I purchased all of this paper from 12 by 12 cardstock.shop. The solids are from the Joanne Bain collection called Whispering Way. This cute floral print is from the BoBunny Early Bird collection. And this brown sheet is actually the reverse side of the Whispering Way cover sheet. This gorgeous gold paper is called Brushed Gold Matte from the Encore foil cardstock collection. Now for the file. We'll be using my Atlas Serif Modern Letter A. Unzip the folder and open Atlas Serif Modern A SVG from the stacked folder. Cricut and Siser automatically separate the layers onto different mats based on color. Silhouette does not do that automatically, so I recommend moving each piece to its own layer. Then you can select and cut each layer individually in the Send menu. This next part is important. For some reason, Cricut does not send the layers in order. Make sure you are matching the correct paper with the layer being cut. Because I used a Cricut, mine cut completely out of order. It started with layer 3, which is the face, then layer 5, the detail. Next came layer 2, the depth layer. After that was layer 4, the shadow. And finally, layer 1, the base. So yes, double check your paper every single time before cutting. I specifically named the layers to preserve order, but Cricut had other plans. We adapt. Once everything is cut, remove the paper from the mat. The best method is to flip the mat over and gently pull the mat away from the paper. This helps prevent the paper from curling. And then surprise! After removing the mat, I realized the Whispering Way paper did not cut all the way through. I'm not sure why I chose this exact moment while filming to experiment with the top dial on my Cricut. I never use it. Normally, I set it to custom and select the exact material from the menu and get perfect cuts. Not today! So consider this your reminder about proper cut settings. Learn from my very public mistake. There are a few areas where I'm using an X-Acto knife to finish separating the cuts. Once all the layers are removed, we can start assembling. All layers are top right aligned. Before applying glue, always position your pieces to confirm alignment. For the larger sections, I'm using a Scotch permanent glue stick. Apply glue generously, especially along the edges. Align the depth layer with the base using top right alignment and press firmly. Apply glue to the face layer and align it the same way. I like to use a scraper to really press the layers together and secure them. For the smaller sections, I'm using an X-Fasten double-sided adhesive roller. Apply tape to all sides, then position onto the previous layers. Again, use the scraper to smooth and ensure everything is evenly adhered. Finally, apply double-sided tape to the last layer. If you need placement guidance, refer to the PNG included in the stacked folder. Everything stays top right aligned. Once all layers are assembled, press everything one more time with the scraper to ensure strong adhesion. Clean up any stray glue. And then, admire your work. This piece looks beautiful on a wall, hanging on a door, or styled in a bookcase. Thanks for spending time with me today. I'll see you in the next project.